Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPG file to a PDF in iLovePDF. Now, if you want to convert a JPG image into a PDF using iLovePDF, we're going to follow these few simple instructions. So let's get started. Now, this tool is useful when you want to combine photos into one document, create scanned PDFs, or submit assignments, or even organize images. So first you're going to open JPG to PDF tool, then you're going to upload your images. We're going to go to ilovepdf.com. And once you're in the home page, you're going to select the Convert PDF so you can have the conversion tools. Now, from these options, you're going to select the JPG to PDF tool. Now you're going to select a JPG image. As you can see here, for example, I'm going to select a JPG image. For example, I just downloaded a lot of JPG images. Now I'm going to put it in my desktop. Now I'm going to select a JPG image from the desktop. Let's go here. And here I'm going to select this image right here. Now you're going to arrange them in the correct order. If you want to add multiple ones, you can click on the plus button to add more files. And you can customize the page orientation, the page size, the margins, and the layout form. And once everything looks good, click Convert to PDF and wait for the processing. Then download your new PDF. And the PDF will be added to your PC. Now many users create PDFs from scanned documents, receipts, certificates, and photos. Another huge tip is using clear high-resolution images for the best final results. And that's it. Now you know how to convert JPG to PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.